Here we come to the elevators at the Yugo building apartment complex on the U of A campus here in Tucson, Arizona. These are ThyssenKrupp Synergies with white matte BS fixtures. Not sure which one we'll get. There's a bank of 4. It's this one, very quiet bell.
You can see they have the like swirly patterns on here.
They do. Let's go down to 1.
It's unlocked. It is unlocked. Hang on. We can get a full ride.
Yeah, let's go down to. Let's go on the bottom. This is. We'll get our numbers going down. Installed 2014.
Yep. This is just a stop at press. It's not like anyone's gonna be
Yeah,
there.
we stopped on 8. Capacity is 3,000 pounds. Elevator number 1.
A 4? There's 4 of them here.
Yep, there's 4. And here we're on 1.
If there's people there, let's let them use it.
Yep, let's see if there's people here.
Okay, there's somebody.
Let's get off. And we'll get, anyways, we'll stop the video here and look at the lobby. Here goes that car. Wait, we got this one. We'll see if it's unlocked though.
Careful.
There's me. Hi.
Put it down. So
Let's go up to top. Someone's going on with us. Which floor? They're unlocked.
Cool.
You're good to go. This one is a flat spot on the wheel, I think.
Ready. Have a good day. You too.
It's got our cab view, door close. Door close button works. Again, this is elevator number, this is number 2. Very nice cab. It's brushed.
This one has
nickel.
indicator replaced.
Yeah, that is a new indicator. It's got the nice new black one.
Yeah, it's also got like the soft. It's also got like the shorter beep that's on later.
Yeah, it's got the. Yeah, I think either the whole panel might have gotten replaced.
Yep.
Yeah. Either way, the old indicator may have burned out. Here we go down. These elevators run pretty well.
Cab view?
Yep, we already got a cab view, but this is a very nice.
Nice elevator.
This is very nice, but it's not the best maintained.
Oh, we gotta stop.
They run pretty good still. They're ThyssenKrupps. Yeah, we're going down. Which floor? Lobby?
Yes, please.
Door close works. Let's get one more look at the indicator. Yeah, this has a flat spot on the wheel, I think. Interesting. It's a little bit shakier than the other car. Anyways, here we are on 1. ADA compliant phone built in. Very quiet door operator.
Let's get out.
Let's get out and watch. Here it goes. And that's gonna be it.
I love the clear doors.
Bye. That's it.